Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmargaha classes, Understanding Quadrilaterals. In this chapter, look at the question number 25. Five angles of a hexagon are 150 degree, 95 degree, 80 degree, 135 degree and 125 degree. Find the sixth angle. Okay. So here, sum of the interior angle of any polygon is given by the formula. So here, n minus 2 into 180 degree. Okay. So here, n is the number of sides. So hexagon andre n is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 6 sides ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 6 minus 2 into 180 degree. So 6 minus 2 is 4 into 180 degree. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 720 degree ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸಮ್ 150 degree plus 95 degree plus 80 degree plus 135 degree plus 125 degree plus 6th x is equal to 720 degree. So here 150 plus 95 plus 80 plus 135 plus 125 plus here x alva. So idishtanu add madidre sum is 585 degree barutte plus x is equal to 720 degree. Okay. So x is equal to 720 degree minus 585. So x is equal to 135 degree ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ sixth angle is 135 degree. Thank you.